Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra and geometry. The topic that is about medians. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we have three equations. So that is about y equals to x. So we divide both sides by number 2. So y equal to 7 over number 2x. So s and negative 60 I will put on the right, and we divide both sides by number 4, and we have y equals to negative 1 over 4x plus 15. Now we need to write about three equations in here. Y equal to x, that should be like this. Y equal to 7 over 2x, that should be like this. Y equal to negative 1 over 4x plus 15, that should be like this. Now in this situation, we need to find three locations of this triangle in here. So we want to find this triangle in here. Now to find this intersection in here, here, and here, we need to use about 2 out of 3 equations to find about coordinate of the points of the triangles in here. So the first one, that is about y equals to x and y equals to 7 over 2x. Now we put x and 7 over 2x go to the left, and now we have like this. So this one I will put about 8, and the solution of the system of equation, that's about 0, 0. So point 8, that's it in here. Now we do similar for the second one. So this one we do the same, and we can find the point P. So we have number 4, 14, and that is in here. About C, that is about y equals to x and y equals to negative 1 over 4x plus 15. So this one we can find about point C in here. That is about number 12. So C, that's it in here. The next one, the question, they want to find 3 medians. So we need to find about the midpoint between A, B, E, that is about BC, and F, that is between AC. So if we want to find the midpoint between A and B, we can use this formula in here. So that should be about S8 plus SB. We divide by 2. Now we do Y8 plus YB. We divide by 2. So SA we have number 0, SB we have number 4. And this one we have number 2. This one we have 0 plus 14. We divide by number 2. And this one we have number 7. So D in here, that is about number 2 and number 7. So because we want to find the medians, so for C in here, connect to D, and we can find about the median CD. So we need to find vector CD. That is about number 12. Number 2 minus number 12 in here, and number 7 minus number 12. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 10, and we have negative number 5. So we need to find the normal vector CD in here, and this one that's about 5 negative number 10. Now I will select about both C. So I will put C in here because both C they on the normal vector of CD. So we have S8 AS plus BY plus C equals to number 0. So number 12 and number 12 we put for S. The normal vector number 5 we put for capital A, and negative number 10 we put for capital B. And now we have like this. So we can find the values of C in here. So this one we have 60. So the first median in here, that is about, we put number 5 in here, 5s minus number 10 y plus 60 equals to number 0. Now we can do similar for BF, and the next one that's about AE. And this one you can do by yourself. This is the end. Thank you for watching.